Hi, this is Mrs. Singley. We are going to do a review of Chapter 10 to get you ready for the test. If you have not filled in your practice book, the review portion, you need to stop this video now and finish the review test. This is going over your answers together. Now, if you're ready, you can continue on. And if you need to fix some problems, you have permission to do so. So let's look at number 1. I'm reading at the top here. It says, use the picture graph to answer the questions. So we're looking at colors we like. And we actually did this on our Zoom. So we have red and blue. And I also see each child stands for 1. So we can count those as 1. So our question is, how many children chose red? So I'm going to go to red and I'm going to carefully count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in the box here, I'm going to write 5. Okay, let's go to number 2. Our question is the sentence true? Choose yes or no. So the first one is, more children like blue than red. So on this one, what I like to do is I like to match up to see. So I'm going to match this one to this one, 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 and this one to this one. I see we have 1 extra blue. Okay, and the line for blue extends here, whereas red stops here. So our statement is, more children like blue than red. That is true. There is 1 more. So I'm going to mark the yes. Okay. Now the second question says 5 children like red. Well, we counted 5, so that is correct. We already counted. That is also a yes. Let me change my color here. Okay, our last question is 2 more children like blue than red. Well, remember, we matched them. At the top here, we matched them. And we saw only 1 more liked blue than red. Not 2 more. So that one is no. So mark the no box. Okay, let's move to number 3. 1 more child gets a blue. Okay, so we're adding 1 more. Draw the blue row. Draw what the blue row looks like now. So that means we have to draw in 1 more. So you have to draw that, the person. Okay, so your head and little body here. Sorry, I'm going to erase. It looks terrible. Let's try again. Okay, so we got a little head. Sorry. You still can't see? Here we go. Head, body, arms. 1 more. My fingers are kind of fat. It was hard to fit them in there. Okay, let's go to the next page. All right, let's look at the top here. We have, so we're reading at the top again, use the bar graph to answer the questions. And our bar graph says weather, this month. So we have clouds, we have sun, and we have rain. Our question is, how many days had sunshine? So I'm going to count carefully the sunshine. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I see that line also matches to the 7. So you should have put 7. Okay. All right, let's go to the next one. It says compare rain and sunny days. Circle the number that makes the sentence true. Okay, so it says there were 4, 5, or 7 more days, more rainy days than sunny days. So this is where we need to match up. Okay, so let's match them up, sun to rain. I like to do it like this, matching them up. Now, this is what's left of the rainy days at the end here. And I can see 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 more rainy days than sunshiny days. So I'm going to circle the 4. Okay, let's look at the next question. Anne says the graph shows 1 more rainy day than cloudy days. Is she right? So this is where we look at the cloudy days at the top and compare them to the rainy days. So here's where rainy days stop. You see that? That's where rainy days stop. I'm going to draw a line from rainy day to cloudy day, and I see 1 more at the end. So Anne says the graph shows 1 more rainy day. Not 1 more rainy day, there's 1 more cloudy day. Is she correct? No. So right here is where I'm marking no. Now we have to explain our answer. Let me, my box is kind of cut off, so I'm going to write my answer just above the box. How can we say that that is incorrect? So I'm going to say no. All right, so let's say no. There is 1 more, let's see, 1 more cloudy day. 1 more cloudy day than rainy. Period. That would be my answer. We have to explain why I chose no. So my answer is no, there's 1 more cloudy day than rainy day. Not 1 more rainy day. Okay. Let's go to the next page. So let me show you. Oops, sorry. All right. Next problem, we're on number 6, says, use the tally chart to answer the questions. Now I'm noticing already on Sam's cars and trucks here that they did not do tally marks for cars. That's because you're going to draw the tally marks for cars on number 8. But it tells us the total. Cars are 8, trucks are 6. Okay? So, how many trucks does Sam have? Well, they told you the answer right in the chart. 6. 6. So on mine, I'm going to put 6. All right, let's go to the next one. Number 8 says, draw tally marks for the number of cars that the chart shows. So we're looking at the cars. It tells us 8. So we need to make sure to draw 8 tally marks. So let me show you. Remember, for tally marks, you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is your diagonal line. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's move to number 9. 9 says, circle the words. Oops, sorry. Let me fix that a minute. 9 says, circle the words that makes the sentence true. The number of tally marks for trucks is greater than, less than, or equal to the number of tally marks for the cars. So I see cars has 8, trucks has 6. I know that 8 is greater than 6. So the number of tally marks of trucks is less than. So I'm going to circle less than. Less than means a smaller amount. Okay, let's go to our last page. Last page, number 10, says Chung, sorry, let me fix that. Chung visits the zoo. He sees 3 lions. He sees 3 more elephants than lions. He sees 2 fewer monkeys than elephants. Now we have to graph the data. Okay, so I'm going to choose 3 colors to show lion, elephant, and monkey. So the first one is easy, lion. It tells us straight out, he sees 3 lions right up here at the top. He sees 3 lions. So I'm going to take my yellow, since I already have yellow out, and I'm going to color 3. There we go. Okay, now the next one is a little more challenging. It says he sees 3 more elephants than the lion. 3 more means we're adding. So if there are 3 lions and there are 3 more, that's 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So I'm going to color with a different color. I'm going to color all the way to 6. Okay. Monkey. He sees 2 fewer monkeys than elephant. Well, elephant we know has 6. 2 fewer means we're taking away or subtracting. So 6 take away 2. If you need to use your fingers, that's fine. 6 take away 2 is 4. So I'm going to use a different color for monkey. Mine's kind of a pink. Okay, color in 4 if you didn't do that. Okay. Next problem. We only have 2 left. Okay, use Chung's graph to answer the questions. How many elephants does Chung see? Well, we already solved that. That was 3 lions plus 3 more to get 6. 6 elephants. So I'm going to make 6 there. Okay. All right, we're on our last one. We have to write another question that can be answered by Chung's graph. we already were asked, how many elephants does Chung see? We could ask, how many lions does Chung see? Or how many monkeys does Chung see? Or how many monkeys and elephants does Chung see? Lots of choices. I'm going to say, how many monkeys does Chung see? And that's a question mark. We're asking something, so don't forget your question mark. Oh, good. I spelled Chung's name right. Okay, that's our review of math. I hope you do very well on your math test tomorrow, which is Friday. All the best to you. Bye-bye.